Here we've got DOOGEE Y7, and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and select System. Now click on Languages and Input and select Languages, the first option. By tapping on Add a Language, you can check all the possibilities, so just pick the language that you want to have your device in, that you want to apply, and let me choose, for example, Portuguese, then select the region and slide it up to the first place to make Portuguese a default language. And as you can see, from now on the whole device is in Portuguese, so you can smoothly use your DOOGEE Y7 in this new language. Then whenever you want to change it again to the previous language or a new one, go to Languages and Input, pick Languages, and either slide the previous language up to make it a default language, then remove the unnecessary language, or you can perform the same operation again, so add a language and then pick the one from the list. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.